blank inyo. In Korean pronunciation is nanyon dang sinyol heyo. Next, in English, love and like. In Korean pronunciation, sarang heyo and jo heyo. Next, English, hate and detis. In Korean pronunciation is miwo heyo, jonggo heyo. Next, English, dearly love. In Korean pronunciation is samoheyo. Next, English, thank you. In Korean pronunciation, gumapsamnida. Next, English, thank you. Pronunciation, in Korean pronunciation, 감사합니다. Next, English, I am sorry. In Korean pronunciation is 미안합니다. Next, English, I am very sorry. In Korean pronunciation, 죄송합니다. Next, English, I feel in Korean pronunciation is nanyon-heyo. Next, English, hungry and sad. In Korean pronunciation is waganayo solpugoyo. Next, English, happy and excited. And Korean pronunciation is gepoyo and sinayo. Next, English, afraid and nervous. And Korean pronunciation is mosyowoyo and bolanheyo. Next, English, sorry and disappointed. And Korean pronunciation is mianheyo and selmanggeyeyo. Next, English, confused. And Korean pronunciation is jangwangsuryowoyo. Next, English, thankful. And Korean pronunciation is gomawoyo. Next, English, in English, please. And Korean pronunciation is manjoksyoroyowoyo. Next, English, excited. And Korean pronunciation is yongbonyoyo. Next, English, surprise. And Korean pronunciation is nolrawoyo. Next, English, happy. And Korean pronunciation is 행복해요. Next, English, unhappy. And Korean pronunciation is bolhangheyo. Next, English, lonely. And Korean pronunciation is kudokheyo. Next, English, comfortable. And Korean pronunciation is pyonheyo. Next, English, shameful. And Korean pronunciation is bokgyorowoyo. Next, ashamed. And Korean pronunciation is changpeheyo. Next, bored and painful. And Korean pronunciation is jiroheyo and apayo. Next, it is. And Korean pronunciation is gyoshonheyo. Next, inconvenient. And Korean pronunciation is bolpyonheyo. Next, hard. And Korean pronunciation is hemjoryo. Next, difficult and easy. And Korean pronunciation is yoryowoyo and swiwoyo. Next, interesting. And Korean pronunciation is jimisyoyo. Next, charming. And Korean pronunciation is meryo yokjo kiyo. Next, moving. In Korean pronunciation, gamdong shyokiyeyo. Next, admirable. and Korean pronunciation is Holyong Heyo. Next, beautiful, and Korean pronunciation Aryom Daobuyo. Next, cute, and Korean pronunciation Gweyo Woyo. Next, simple, and Korean pronunciation Danson Heyo. Thank you for listening. Yoryo Josyo Shyo Gamsamnida.